Welcome to Digitizings.com, where creativity meets precision, your one-stop destination for all things digitizing. Digitizings.com offers the best online, custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Now let's see and learn about
tips for embroidering on stretchy fabrics. Embroidery on stretchy fabrics can be both exciting and challenging. Stretchy fabrics, such as knit, jersey, and spandex, are commonly used for apparel like t-shirts, sportswear, and activewear. While these fabrics offer comfort and flexibility, they also require careful handling during embroidery to ensure the final design looks great without distorting or damaging the fabric. Understanding the unique nature of stretchy fabrics and using the right techniques is essential for achieving professional, high-quality results. Here are some key tips to help you master the art of embroidery on stretchy materials. 1. Choose the right stabilizer. The key to successful embroidery on stretchy fabrics lies in selecting the correct stabilizer. Stabilizers support the fabric during the stitching process, preventing it from stretching or warping. For stretchy fabrics, opt for a cutaway stabilizer, which provides firm support and can be trimmed away after the embroidery is complete. Avoid tearaway stabilizers, as they may not provide enough support and could cause the fabric to stretch unevenly. If you're working with lightweight or thin fabrics, consider using a water-soluble stabilizer on top of the fabric to avoid the stabilizer showing through. 2. Use a ballpoint needle. When embroidering on stretchy fabrics, it's crucial to use the right needle. A ballpoint needle with its rounded tip is designed to slide between the fibers of knit or stretchy fabrics without causing snags or tears. This reduces the risk of damaging the fabric and ensures smooth stitching. Regular needles with a sharp point can pierce the fibers of stretchy fabrics, which may lead to skipped stitches or holes in the material. 3. Adjust your tension settings. The tension settings on your embroidery machine need to be adjusted when working with stretchy fabrics. Too much tension can cause the fabric to pucker or become distorted, while too little tension can result in loose stitches. Start with a moderate tension setting and test the design on a scrap piece of fabric. Make small adjustments until the stitches lay flat without pulling the fabric. It's also helpful to lower the machine's upper tension slightly to accommodate the stretchiness of the fabric. 4. Choose the right thread. Thread choice plays a significant role when embroidering on stretchy fabrics. Look for threads that have some give or stretch, such as polyester or rayon threads. These threads will move with the fabric, helping to maintain the integrity of your design. Cotton threads, on the other hand, can lack the necessary flexibility and may snap or cause tension issues on stretchy fabrics. Additionally, choose a thread weight that matches the design's complexity, as thinner threads may not hold up well on stretchy fabrics. 5. Test the design on scrap fabric. Before starting the final embroidery project, always test your design on a piece of scrap fabric that is the same type as your garment. This allows you to check for any issues with stitching, tension, or fabric movement. It's much easier to make adjustments on scrap fabric than to deal with problems on the actual garment. Testing also helps you determine if additional stabilizer or adjustments are needed to get the desired result. 6. Avoid stretching the fabric. While working with stretchy fabrics, it's important not to stretch or pull the fabric as it moves through the embroidery machine. Stretching the fabric can cause uneven stitching or distortion of the design. Instead, gently guide the fabric through the machine and let the machine do the work. Be mindful of the fabric's stretchiness when hooping as well. Ensure it's snug, but not overstretched within the hoop. 7. Finish with a professional touch. After completing the embroidery, take time to trim any excess stabilizer carefully and ensure the edges of the design are neat and clean. If you used a water-soluble stabilizer, rinse it out according to the manufacturer's instructions to leave a smooth, professional finish. Lastly, be mindful of the garment's intended use. If it's going to be washed often, ensure that the threads and stabilizers used are durable enough to withstand multiple washes. By following these tips, you can successfully embroider on stretchy fabrics, creating designs that not only look great but also retain their quality and appearance over time. With practice and attention to detail, you can achieve professional-level results on any stretchy fabric.
If you are looking for high-quality embroidery digitizing, then Digitizings.com is your perfect partner for precision. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.